Alright guys, so today's video is about how to reset your Oraimo Spacebuds 2. Let's get down to business. So the first thing to do here is to clear your earbuds from your Bluetooth list. So you go to your Bluetooth settings and locate the Oraimo Spacebuds 2. So I'm going to go here to my Bluetooth settings and select the gear icon or the eye icon depending on your phone model. Now, the next thing to do is to now unpair or forget. You can see the option down here. So I'm going to select unpair in my case and select unpair Oraimo Spacebuds 2. And make sure it is no longer on the list. Now, the next thing to do is to now go to your Oraimo earbuds and slide it open. Now, the next thing to do is to now select the multi-function button by the side, which you can see here. Select that button and press hold it for 5 seconds. So I'm going to press mine for 5 seconds and it's going to change this light effect to the default blue effect. So let's press 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, it is now showing the blue default effect. That means it has been reset. Now you can bring out your earbuds and go to your Bluetooth settings, turn it on, and search for your Oraimo Spacebuds 2. Connect it, pair it up, and you are good to go. So that is how to reset your Oraimo Spacebuds 2. Bye for now. Peace.